Shourav Fisheries and Agro Limited, or SFAL, was born from a simple yet profound vision: to provide the people of Bangladesh with food that is safe, nutritious, and pure. In a world of growing concerns about food safety, we are making a stand. Our promise is to deliver hazard-free agro food, dairy, and fisheries products. In the realm of fisheries, we harness the rich aquatic resources of Bangladesh. From inland freshwater ponds to coastal areas, our aquaculture practices are designed to be in harmony with nature. We cultivate a diverse range of crustaceans, finfish, and mollusks in controlled environments that ensure purity and prevent contamination, guaranteeing a product that is fresh, healthy, and safe. On land, our mission continues. Our Agro division employs sustainable farming practices to cultivate a variety of crops, ensuring that what reaches your table is free from harmful pesticides and chemicals. Our dairy operations are built on a foundation of ethical animal husbandry, providing wholesome milk and dairy products that are a cornerstone of a healthy diet. The Shourav Group built its reputation on delivering energy and power. With Shourav Fisheries and Agro Limited, we are now delivering something just as vital: sustenance and trust. We invite you to join us in cultivating a healthier, more prosperous Bangladesh for generations to come. Shourav Fisheries and Agro Limited, the purest harvest, a prouder nation. Shourav Fisheries and Agro Limited,